Welcome back. We are on the topic ratios. In the previous video, we solved a question on proportional division. In this video, we are going to solve another question. The question for this video is: the perimeter of a triangle is 240 centimeters. The length of the sides are in the ratio 3:4:5. Find the length of the longest and shortest sides. So from the question, we are being told that the perimeter of a triangle is 240 centimeters and the lengths of the sides are in the ratio 3:4:5. The question wants us to use this information to find the longest and shortest sides. To understand this question very well, let's draw the triangle. So let's say that this is the triangle. The length of the shortest side is A, the length of the longest side is C, and the length of the remaining side, that is the side whose length is between A and C, is B. So the length of the shortest side is A, the length of the longest side is C, and the length of the other remaining side is B. From the question, we know that the perimeter of the triangle is 240 centimeters. From the videos on mensuration, we learned that the perimeter of a plane figure is the sum of the distance round the figure. So the perimeter of this triangle is the sum of the distance round the triangle. The shortest side is A, the longest side is C, and the other side is B. So the perimeter of this triangle will be equal to A plus B plus C, and that will give us 240 centimeters. From the question, we are being told that the length of the sides of the triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5. So a triangle has three sides. The ratio has three parts. The smallest part is 3, the biggest part is 5, and the other part is 4. From our triangle here, we can see that the length of the shortest side is A, the length of the longest side is C, and the length of the other side is B. The sides are in the ratio 3:4:5. What this means is that the length of the shortest side corresponds to 3, since that is the smallest part of the ratio. The length of the longest side will correspond to 5, since that is the biggest part of the ratio. And the length of the other side will correspond to 4, since that is the length of the side that is between A and B. So the shortest side of the triangle, which is A, corresponds to 3, which is the smallest part of the ratio. The longest side of the triangle, which is C, corresponds to 5, which is the biggest part of the ratio. And the other side of the triangle, which is B, corresponds to 4. So A, B, and C are in the ratio 3:4:5. The question wants us to find the length of the longest side and the shortest side. Remember that the perimeter of the triangle is 240 centimeters. So when we add the distance around this triangle together, we will have 240 centimeters. The question wants us to find the length of the longest and shortest side. The longest side is C and the shortest side is A. Let's begin with the longest side. We are finding the length of the longest side, which is C. The length of the longest side, or C, will be equal to the part of the ratio that belongs to C, which is 5, divided by the total ratio, which is 3 plus 4 plus 5, times the total distance around the figure, the perimeter, which is 240 centimeters. This will give us 5 divided by 12 times 240 centimeters. and this is equal to 100 centimeters. So the longest side of the triangle is 100 centimeters. Let's find the shortest side. The shortest side of the triangle is A. So the length of A will be equal to the part of the ratio that belongs to A, which is 3, divided by the total ratio, which is 3 plus 4 plus 5, times the perimeter of the triangle, or the total distance around the triangle, which is 240 centimeters. This will give us 3 divided by 12 times 240 centimeters. And this will give us 60 centimeters. So the length of the shortest side is 60 centimeters. The length of the longest side is 100 centimeters, and the length of the shortest side is 60 centimeters. You can use this same approach to find the length of B. That will be the part of the ratio that belongs to B, which is 4, divided by the total ratio, which is 12, times 240 centimeters. And that will give you the length of B. In the question, we are asked to find the length of the longest side and the shortest side. We have seen that the longest side is 100 centimeters and the shortest side is 60 centimeters. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on proportional division. Bye bye.